and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing a quick eBay unboxing of this phone I picked up on eBay. It did say it needed a new battery. It does have the box. It's a Sprint phone as well. There we go. Sprint A580. A580, my bad. I think it's something totally different today. Let's see. Thank you card. So let's take a look at the phone itself. So here it is. Pretty decent shape. I can definitely tell the battery's swollen. Yeah, look at that. Let's see if we have a Samsung battery we can test with it real quick, and I'll get right back. So I think I found one out of the Samsung R470. It looks to be about the same. Sweet. I think I might have one in my drawer of batteries. Front screen's good. Outside screen's good. Looks like the keypad lights up, so as long as there's no passcode on it. Looks like the buttons are kind of a yellow. And it looks like it's unlocked, so that's good. So it'll be another unboxing video as well coming up. I was not going to do a bunch of full unboxing videos, so hope you guys enjoyed this short little eBay unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.